Hey you guys, I'm about to make a homemade pound cake all by myself because I'm practicing my baking skills, and that's my little tester cakes. It came out good. Stay tuned to see what happens.
Why y'all ain't tell me through the camera, don't you use that damn pan, girl. Anyway, so I switched to this little small thing and I whipped up 3 sticks of butter. And next I'm going to add my 3 cups of sugar in parts. So 1 cup of sugar. Almost. It says 3 cups and do it in parts, so I'm just going to go ahead and do half, add half, do it half. Alright, go ahead and do my next half. Time to add 1 egg at a time. If you are not good, go ahead and do it in another bowl. Don't play yourself. 1 at a time. And last but not least, the last egg, you guys. Woo! 6 eggs, child. Nice and slow. Let her get in there. After the 6 eggs, we did 1 at a time. I'm going to go ahead and add some flavor in there. So I'm going to go grab the flavor. Beat this for like 10 more seconds. And I'm going to go get the 2 flavors. We're doing 2, not 1. I hope I got enough for 2 teaspoons. So, 2 tablespoons. Me and Dee in here talking about, I asked for, what did I ask for? A paper towel. And what did you say?
You look like a paper towel.
Shut up. 2 of vanilla. And then come over here and add the napkin. Did I say napkin or you said
napkin?
You said napkin. Okay, I said napkin. You said potato.
Rag.
No, paper towel. What do you call it? Paper towel or napkin?
Paper towel. Napkins is a little square thing.
Well, they still wipe up. They all wipe up. Yeah, whatever.
Rag in that case.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that lemon smells so good. Oh, I didn't know it'd be clear. I don't know what I was thinking.
Dang.
What?
That was too much.
D, shut the hell up. Alright, so hold on. This costs too much for it to spill over. Them flavors, I don't be knowing what they be putting in them extracts, honey. I want her to, oh, and even the fake vanillas and stuff cost too much. So let me put her on it. So, alright, so get that. Smells so good. Hey guys, so next we need to do 3 parts. We need to have 3 parts of flour. We need to do a 1/2 spoon of baking powder and then a pinch of salt, which I have the Himalaya. What's it called?
Like a pinch. Himalayan
sauce. It's a healthier way of eating, I think, babe said. Anyway, we got to split this together. So I'm going to take the same measuring cup that I did with the sugar and put the flour, baking soda, and the salt in here. Just reuse that.
Oh, for real? You gonna put them all 3 in there together, or you gonna?
Yeah, and then you gotta split it together.
One at a time.
No, D, do the 3. You gotta do all the cups of the flour, and then the pinch of salt, and then the powder, and then the baking powder, and split it together. Mind your business. Yeah. So I'm gonna add 2 cups. I can put it in the red. This red one's cool.
Right, but you're gonna mix it in the big one you already got together.
Yeah, after I get it together. So there are 2 cups.
Did it say sifted?
Yeah, I gotta sift it.
You know what sifting is, right?
Yeah, but I'm gonna use this
That's
little
not
whisk.
gonna sifting is full. No.
You can use the whisk
No,
too,
you
D, if
cannot.
somebody don't have a split. I had that thing up there to use it on the wall.
No.
Yes, huh? Don't listen to D, you guys. Who went back on the food network and redeemed themselves?
This is a sifter.
But I'm not using that. That's why I'm using that one up there.
It's not gonna work, T.
I've used it before when I made danger food cake.
It's gonna be flour everywhere.
Well, I'll clean up my flour,
No,
gracias.
you put it in here and then you shake it like this because they want it to be fine.
Right, that's why I use that
Okay, never
one.
mind.
Yeah, get your booty cakes out here. Don't be pushing up against me, girl. A 1/2 a Is this a 1/2 a spoon?
Don't worry about it. Sift it.
D, which was a 1/2 a spoon? It's a big spoon. Where a big spoon? Hold on, you guys. D is doing the most. So this is the 1/2. Let me get the baking powder. Put it over here so it don't go in there.
All right, honey,
Bye. Be safe, and I love you. Call you in a little while. 1/2 of the baking powder. Let's go put that in there too. And then we need to add our pinch of salt. Grandma said a pinch of salt. Shoot. I say D is gonna kill me. The hell she. You know what? I'm not doing this today. It's not coming off. Hold on. No. Oh. Let me do it in my hand. I can't. Okay. I can't see. Because the salt, I mean, the, oh, is it on 0? The butter that we used was salted, you guys. So Grandma just said, there you go. Put some in there. Not a whole lot. Alright. So now I need to split this all together. I'm going to use my little whisk. You can do this too, you guys. Don't pay attention to D. Because I have the other one I want to use. The other one we have is old and rusty. I don't want to use that. That's why I had to start over, because it was tar getting in my darn butter. So that's why I had to start all the freak over. Spit, spit, spit. Alright, so I had to call Grandma Pearl. So I got everything stitched together. The baking powder, the salt, and the cups of flour. So she said add it in parts. And I got to get my milk and add that too. And then this is pretty much coming down to the end, you guys. And you can either use evaporated milk or regular milk. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet.
You're gonna put it on 325. You want to cook nice and slow for an hour 15 to an hour 30, depending on your particular oven. But put it on 325.
Add some milk in there while I'm putting the flour. Grandma said that's evaporated milk. I went with evaporated. And I still got one more half of the dry to put in. Y'all know I love that old music. I love listening to the Music Choice station 910. It just keeps me so nice and mellow listening to the older music. Come on, no, but they knew they were singing about back in the day, honey. Yes. Meet you out front, he said. And like I said, that was a cup of milk to go in the 3 mixtures of that last dry, which was flour, baking powder, and a salt. And after this, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the little muffin pans, because I'm gonna make that because I want to taste it, me and D. But you know, I got the big pan right over here. All right, so we're gonna take our little spoon and bring it on home, because I don't want to beat it too much. Grandma told me make sure you do not beat it too much. So that's everything. But I don't want to make, well, I definitely want to make sure that I don't get like that floury, buttery. You know how you have that damn taste and it tastes like a bunch of cake batter or flour. It looks good. I so hope it comes out good. Ah! All right, so I'm going to get this pan, because I already got the oven going. And remember, when you're filling these up, you never want to come all the way to the top, because, and this is common sense to some people, and some people just know because they bake, but it's going to rise. And please don't think that you're stupid if you did not know that, because I learned so much on Worst Cooks in America when I went on Food Network. And then some things I learned, you know, from D or asking my grandma. Put that up. You want to bring it around and shake it down. Okay. And she is in the oven ready to go. Alright, y'all. So I hope I got enough to make me and D one. I forgot to put darn gone, I got flour in those, as you can see. But I forgot to put flour in the big pan. OMG. Shatima. And you guys, don't do what I just did. Like, for real. The testers are out. This one fell coming out of the darn oven, but this is the pretty one. Hopefully the real cake, which is still in the oven, is going to come out good because it smells good. Tastes good. She's finished. She's a little dark, but I had to make sure that she was done inside and that nothing came off of the knife. I'd rather be dark than to have it not done. And you know, as it gets cooled down, it's going to darken a teeny bit more. But my first time doing my own pound cake, I would say this came out really good. I need to let it cool down for like 30 minutes and then put the thing over top of it and then, you know, flip it over. So I hope everyone likes it. But the tester cake came out good. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Shatima R looking busted but making a pound cake for her mom's birthday. Yeah, the taste is good. Might be a little dark, but it's okay. Next time it's gonna be better. And everybody's oven is different, you guys. So I didn't go the whole hour. Actually, my the whole hour and 20 minutes. The timer is actually still going on my phone as we speak. So, you know, just keep checking. So you guys, I lied to my family and told them that someone that cooks pound cake since I was a little girl did it, which his pound cakes are really, really good. But my nephew, if you pay attention, this is the best part of the video because he just knows that this is his cake. He's getting that plate ready. He sees that this cake is coming out. He's ready. I know you did not. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Maybe he'll get that next slice. As always, again, you guys, make sure you stay tuned. You never know what I have coming in store. Your girl, Shatima R. And also, tune in at 94.7. The link downloaded from Simple Radio. And tune in on Mondays from 4 to 6 because that's when I'm on air. He finally got his cake. Hallelujah. Bye, y'all. Everyone, meet the star of this video, my nephew DJ. He don't play when it comes to food. So I told you it was a little burnt on the top. So I flipped that bad boy over. No one knew. And coming up next is my banana pudding from scratch, you guys. I figured out what I have to do different. And that's what it is about. It's about learning and trying stuff for the first time. So next time, y'all watch out. But the first time, it was good, too. Really, really good. Adios, amigos.